Hello, and this is another little episode of Talk Audio TV from the Emma event here at Auto Audio, and I'm with Grant Hanan, but more specifically with Audio Wave Amplifiers. Say hello, Grant.
Hello.
Slightly embarrassed putting you on camera, but tell us what these things are. This one at the front here. This is let's see what it says. It's an Aspire. What is this? First of all, how much is an Aspire, and what is it? The ninth one here, of course.
The ninth one, yeah. This is the new stereo amp.
Yeah.
And
go on, what's the retail on it, mate?
Retails £1,800.
So that's, believe it or not, that makes that actually a tremendously inexpensive audio wave amp, because they are made to a fairly insane standard. And how many watts per channel is the Aspire?
You're looking at 200.
So,
yeah.
Fairly nondescript looking thing, 200 very clean watts. The one underneath it, what's that product there?
That's the CR200.
Well, look at the reflectors, so I can get in here.
Monoblock base.
Monoblock. Amp guts, reflections, amp horn, just oh. Look at the quality of the engineering inside. They're just trying to get some sort of angles, get lots of the ceiling and the camera reflected. So that monoblock, how much is one of those, Grant?
You're looking over £5,000.
Over £5,000 for that monoblock. Oh, so I'm going with a bit of a sex meet. This is a CR400 underneath it. It's
a dual mono.
Dual mono. Loads of hang on, loads of rods at the back for the cooling. Lumpen great amp. You can't really see where amp begins and the rest of the world finishes because of all the reflections, but that's a big old mono. How much is one of those? Dual mono.
Retails of £10,000.
That's a £10,000 amplifier.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sound effect. Right, and CR200X. What's one of those? That's the
that's a monoblock, basically a CR200 with a huge cap reserve in the middle of it.
Like a CR200 but with more capacitors. So a bit like the way Cyrus and their Mission sort of give you chunky ones. And this beast up here with the Union Jack guts, which is so cute.
That's a special edition. It's made for a bit of fun, really. 100 LEDs in there. Don't know if you can see.
Oh, let's see if we can get some of the illumination. It's so bright in here, we're not getting the LEDs, but...
diffuse white.
Oh, diffuse white illumination. Hang on, if I pull back, take a couple of angles. And how much is one of them, dude?
You're looking at about
£2,400 just for the amplificateur de puissance on the end here. Yeah, an Audio Wave PM12, that's PM12. A power plug hole thing?
Power distribution with
timed power distribution system.
Yes. So you've got timed on, off, you've got an auxiliary input as well. So you can put remote control lighting, motorization, and you're looking at about 35 amps per output on the fixed ones and 25 on the switched.
So that's an enormously high powered capable distribution system that can actually cope with motorizations and all kinds of other stuff. And down here, just a chunk of pure engineering, no electronics, apart from there's a fuse in circuit.
Yeah, those are the chunky distribution blocks.
Sexy distros. And how much is, if I wanted to put one of these in my car, how much is one of them, Governor?
They start at about $380.
So it's a £380 distribution block, which actually makes that relatively inexpensive compared to certain other bits of kit, but I'm monstrously impressed. And again, sublime. And again, to the ridiculous. Can you believe that this number plate was ever let through the DVLA? Just very quick.